Alright, hey y'all. Today I'm gonna be piercing my smiley. So this up here. I have my tongue and my double nose, so why the fuck not? And if I don't like it, I'm just gonna take it back out. And I've had it before actually. But I took it out because I went to a Christian school, but now I'm way past graduation, so let's do this. So I'm probably just gonna like put a narration over this or something because I'm not gonna really be able to talk because it's in my mouth. All right, y'all. So now I'm just gonna do a little high narration from future Quasi, who already has a piercing. So right now I'm just washing my mouth out with a mouthwash to clean it. My big ass fucking head. Oh my god. So now I'm just gonna like dry the upper part of my mouth so it's like easier to get through. I now realize that keeping it a little bit wet actually helps. So in a while you'll go see me move and get up because I'm gonna go get like Vaseline as like lube so it goes through easier. And this is the first time I ever do that with a piercing, and I think it honestly turned out right. I don't know if you're supposed to use petroleum jelly, but hey. Also, there's a threaded needle, so it's like the one that already has it. And oh, I guess I'm starting to piercing now. But, oh, I'm talking shit about how I need lube. Okay, what it basically just said was I need lube, blah, blah, blah. Because I feel like it's dry. And it was very dry. And that, like, multiple times it got uncomfortably dry. So, yeah, now I'm just going to go get lube. So I put petroleum jelly on it and, yeah. Okay. All right, so now I think I'm starting the actual piercing. The light low-key washed it out, but if you look hard enough, you can see me starting it. Basically, I was struggling to get it through for like a long period of time, and last time I did this piercing, it did not hurt like this at all. But as you can see there, I bring it down so you could see it better, and this is where it began to hurt. Oh my god. You can see the skin like trying to just hold it back. And ooh, that stutter. To hold it back, and it's like not working. Like, oh my god, it just was not going through, and it really did start to hurt. I remember here I was just like, oh shit, that shit hurts. Like, you could see me close my eyes in pain trying to push it through. Oh my god, yeah, that shit did hurt. Now that I remember. Oh my god. Okay, but now I got it through. So the hardest part to me personally was getting the balls on it. That shit was a hot mess. Oh my god, it took me about an hour to do it, and I should have had someone else to do it for me. But I ended up getting it through at the end with a longer bar, so that's what you're about to see too. I ended up leaving and coming back, because the balls were taking so long, it was no point in recording that struggle, as I wasn't even in the camera at some point, so I just basically left and came back. And in that time, I dropped a bar. But at the end, I do end up getting it through, so stay tuned for that. Guys, so after like an hour or two of like fighting to screw the ball on, I got the ball on. And I had to use a longer bar because I dropped the other one. Also, it's very short and like almost impossible to get on here. So let me show you. There it is, super long and swollen as well. So yeah, that's really it. All right, so I washed out my mouthwash, and now that's it. I'm gonna try not to play with it. The bar is so long. Cause I dropped the smaller one, but I think after the swelling goes down, I'm gonna change it. So yeah, that's what it looks like. This is not very attractive, I know. And it's like pretty hideable too, cause like it depends really on how you have it. I can just tuck it up like this and take these out, and boom, I wouldn't have piercing. Well, my tongue, but other than that, I wouldn't have piercing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed me adding another body modification, like as if I don't have a million of them. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go sleep. Bye.